Hello and warm welcome to Echo Zap, where ideas snap, facts crackle, and curiosity goes boom. One spark at a time, let's explore the wonders of the world together. Subscribe now.
Harappa is a place in East Punjab province. Harappa was located on the banks of the Irrawaddy River. Most Harappan sites are located in semi-arid lands, where irrigation was probably required for agriculture. Harappa was discovered by archaeologist Dayaram Sahani. He supervised the excavations of Indus Valley sites in Harappa in 1921 and 1922. The Harappa site was excavated again by Vatsa in 1926 and again by Mortimer Wheeler in 1946. Mohenjodaro was discovered by R.D. Banerjee in 1922, discovered 2 years after intensive excavations began about 590 kilometers north of Harappa. The Harappa site was first briefly excavated by Sir Alexander Cunningham in 1872–73. Sumerian civilization is the oldest civilization known to mankind. Chanhudaro was first excavated by N.G. Majumdar in March 1930. In 1931 N.G. Majumdar excavated the Harappan site of Chanhudaro. Chanhudaro is situated on the banks of the Indus River. Chanhudaro is located near Mohenjodaro in Sindh province of present-day Pakistan. Chanhudaro is the only Harappan city without a fort. Bead factory found in Chanhudaro. Evidence of human sacrifice has been found in Chanhudaro. The most distinctive feature of the Harappan civilization was the urbanization of Harappa. Kalibangan was discovered by Luigi Tessitore. John Marshall was the first researcher to use the term Indus Valley Civilization. According to radiocarbon dating, the Indus civilization flourished in the period 2500 to 1750 BC. The Indus civilization is a Bronze Age civilization. In addition to sheep and goats, dogs, cows, buffaloes and elephants were domesticated in the Indus civilization. Mohenjodaro, Indus. It is situated on the right bank of Indus. Kalibangan, Rajasthan. It was on the banks of river Ghaggar. Chanhudaro. It is situated on the left bank of river Indus south of Mohenjodaro. Lothal, Gujarat. It is located at the top of the Gulf of Cambay. Surkatata, Gujarat, is located at the top of the Rann of Kutch. Banwali, Haryana. It was located on the banks of Saraswati, now extinct. Dholavira, Gujarat. It has been excavated in Kutch district.
Do you think it's good? A like and a sub would be amazing. Thanks for watching.